Look at the phone. He is totally broken. Totally broken, you know. And now I will remove the scotch. I remove the first part of scotch. And now I going to remove the second part. I remove the the top of the iPhone. And now we can see the iPhone technology, Chinese technology, man, you know. And now I'm going to push the power button, the volume, and the down sound, and the home button. And I wait to the phone switch off, and I restart the phone. You know, I wait, and I place again the the top glass, and look at the screen. The phone screen is totally broken. And now I'm going to replace the scotch on the top, on the left top side and on the right top side. I finished. The screen is is broken, but when I had pressed on the square when I remove the top glass, the square will repair this screen. Look. Oh, the screen is not broken.